The first thing I'm going to do is just grab one of these clear plates, and I just spray painted in black. Then I took one of those mirrors, round mirror that I use in most of my DIYs. I took the mirror and I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the middle of the plate, just like that. Make sure to attach it in place. Once you attach it in place, I took this solid light that I also use in a lot of my videos, and I just spray painted in gold. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue all the way around it. Make sure to put it outside so it can light up at once you set up the whole thing. Then I went ahead and grabbed some hot glue and placed it on top as well. And I'm gonna grab this small plate as well, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on top just like that to hold it in place. Then I went ahead and grabbed my hot glue again, and I'm just gonna go all around and put hot glue. Make sure to use E6000 or a better glue. I'm just using the hot glue for the purpose of the video. Then I put the round plate in the middle as well. I took another of this part of the solar alerts, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it on top, just attach it on top. I put some more hot glue at the top as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and place this little cat. You could place whatever theme you're doing. You could do a flower. It depends on your theme that you're gonna go ahead and use. Then I went ahead and grabbed the cupcake and placed it all around it, and these confetti I'm just putting all around it so it can give it a super cute look and golden stand out. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It came out super cute, and the good thing is that you could do anything decorations that you're doing with this, or any color that you're doing. Instead of the cat, you could put flower or anything that you're doing. For the next DIY, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the same plate. I'm just gonna go ahead and place some flower all around the plate at the bottom part, just like that. Once I do all the flowers, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the string crystal garland, and I'm just gonna measure it to the same size of the plate, and so it doesn't go all the way around to the flowers, and take the link out. That's the good thing about this garland, that you could just take it out. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it to my plate, and I'm gonna do that all the way around. Then I went ahead and grabbed this little glass, placed it on top with some candle, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think it came out super cute. This could be a beautiful centerpiece for a wedding, for a table decor. And the good thing about this DIY, that you could just do any color or anything that you do and just switch the flowers and the color, and all depends of your theme. I hope you guys like this DIY. Let's not forget to comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. For the next one, I just went ahead and did the same thing. I just took the flower out and placed cupcake all around it, and I transformed this into a cupcake stand. I think this is beautiful, and this can be so cute as a centerpiece, but it also can be on your table for decorations for your cupcake stand. So you either you decide which way you want to use it. It's up to you. I just gave you the idea, and then you decide how you want to use it on your birthday party decorations. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to follow me and hit like, and thanks again for the support and always watching me.